money on crypto airdrops. What it takes to make money on crypto airdrops. I've spoken extensively about crypto airdrops, and crypto airdrops are one of the ways that people are making almost free money today. When I talk about free money, it is not totally free. It's like money that you should pay for advertisement. You are taking part in making the advertisement, and then they are paying you part of it. There are many crypto airdrops that are in circulation today. One of them is Hamster Kombat. Another one is Dog, and we also have the rabbit. We have the goose. We have the two market. We have the X Empire, and many more. So all these are there, and there are many others that are available. More than 30, more than 40. So how do you make money from them, or what is the best approach to use? One of the people that I informed about this um, program, specifically Hamster Combat, which is listing on 26th of September, the individual contacted me about 2 days ago that what is this, some of the functions on the Hamster Combat, and I explained to the individual. But before then, I've done a video about how to increase your revenue on Hamster Combat, and I sent it to the individual, and I also uploaded it online, and I saw that it has 37 views as at the time I looked at it. I am not pained that people are not seeing it, but it's just that when they will see it, the specific opportunity spoken about will have passed. Now, on the Hamster Combat interface itself, we have the exchange, we have the mine, we have the playground, we have the friends, then we have the N, and then we have the airdrop itself, where it tells us what they are going to use in listing. I mentioned in that video that then on the upper side we have the daily reward, we have the daily cipher, we have the daily combo, and then we have the mini games and many more. I mentioned in my previous video that you do not need to do all of these tasks. Like in the games, when we have the games, the playground, there's only one game I used to play, and that is the Chain Dude 2048. That is the only game I play. I play it 4 times a day, and I get 4 keys from there. Then on my daily cipher, I get the daily cipher key, which makes it 5 keys. I have 5 keys daily. As of today, I have 113 keys in my coffers. Like yesterday and 2 days ago, I did not take any of the daily cipher and the 4 keys. I didn't take them. The game that involved arranging some red and green arrows or bricks, I found it difficult. I left it. The one I found easy, like tapping and increasing my um, profit per hour, I'm doing all that. So I kept on increasing my profit per hour, because I know this is how I'm going to earn more. Even as I'm doing this video now, I'm just tapping now to increase my profit per hour again by buying. So I kept buying cards and buying cards. So people just assume that you just open the crypto airdrop, they log in, and then they will do nothing, and then they will make money. Let me let you know that even the crypto airdrop itself is work. You have to put in some work. People say, there's no work, there's no work. So I can't imagine that somebody is not willing to put in any work, not willing to put in any effort, and at the end of the listing, he wants to earn 100,000 naira, 200,000 naira, or thereabout. It doesn't work that way. There's nowhere in the world where you don't do any work and then you get paid. It doesn't work that way. You have to put in the work, and you have to sit down and do the work and do the work. I'm going to tell you some of the things that you need to do. One of them is that all the tasks you have to do, take your time, do the task one after the other. I told you the other time when I started, I found myself on the filling station. I stay in the filling station, and um, with the filling station, what we do is that we wait for fuel. I waited because of fuel scarcity in Nigeria. I have to wait 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. So at that waiting time, I start tapping, I start doing some tasks on the Hamster Kombat. At other waiting time, because I'm a lecturer, I use it to do some research on the internet, check some papers, read some papers, respond to mails, and do other things. So there is no free time, so to say. And if the battery of my phone is going down, I charge it inside of my car where I am. So I have the opportunity. People just see you pressing something on your phone, they think you're just browsing alone. You're not browsing alone. You are taking and you are planning and building up your coins so that when it's the project, crypto airdrop project is listed, you can make good money. So you need to learn about the interface of any program or any project. Different projects have different interfaces. In the case of Hamster Combat, which I'm very, very comfortable with, even though there are some like daily cipher, I can do it if I really want to do it and sit down with it. What you just have to do is go on Twitter, check for the daily cipher code. I think it comes around 7 p.m. or thereabouts every day, West African time. That's GMT plus one. So when you get the daily cipher, it gives you some certain codes. Maybe it will write man, M-A-N, but to get that man, to get the M, you need to tap, press down, then press down for long. For to write A, you just press shortly and release. To write N, you press down for long. So you keep repeating this until you get it, and then you go to AM, then A, then N. It's just to press. So they will tell you whether it is a long press or a short press and how many presses you're going to do before you get that. So by the time that is completed, then you click OK. Then it say, yeah, you've done it. Then it gives you your 1 million for that daily cipher, 1 million coins, 1 million value of the coins, and 1 million coins for your daily cipher. The daily combo, you're going to look for 3 cards. How do you get these 3 cards? I think around 13 hours, 13 hours, or that is 13, uh, that's 14 GMT. The cards will be released and then you can go. So in essence, what I'm saying is that you just need to keep checking and keep doing all the tasks that need to be done so that you can be able to make money. So it's not just that you just open it and leave it. There are daily tasks like in the tool market, you have to be clicking, buying tomatoes, you register daily, you play the cards, you pick the tomatoes, then you allow it to run, you mine, you do many other things. Each one has its own peculiarities. So you have to study that for the one you're doing and then you follow through. I'll see you in the next video where I talk about other things crypto. Bye for now.